So here we got a nice trigonometric problem where we are given that A and B are two statements, and we also given an expression, and if this expression is true we have to find which is the correct option. So I'm starting with the expression that we are given, which is cos beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha plus cos alpha minus beta, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. And since we know the formula of cos C minus D, which is equal to cos C multiplied by cos D plus sine of C multiplied by sine of D. So we can simply expand these all three terms by the formula. So we will obtain this, and now we can take cos of gamma common from the first and the third term. So we can rewrite it as cos of gamma multiplied by cos of beta plus cos of alpha plus, now similarly we can take sine of gamma common from the second and the fourth term. So we can say sine of gamma multiplied by sine of beta plus sine of alpha, and the rest of the part we can write it as cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta. And now we know that this is nothing but our cos alpha minus beta. And now suppose that our A and B statement is true. So what we can say, that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equals 0, which simply implies that cos alpha plus cos of beta equals minus of cos of gamma. Similarly, for the statement B, we can say sine of alpha plus sine of beta plus sine of gamma equals 0, which simply implies that sine of alpha plus sine of beta equals minus of sine of gamma. And now substitute these two values in these two places. So we can simply say that cos of gamma multiplied by minus of cos of gamma. So instead of writing it, we can simply take a square over the cos minus sine square of gamma plus cos alpha plus beta. Yeah, this should be minus cos alpha minus beta equals minus 3 by 2. And now we know the identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So we can simply substitute this over here. So we'll obtain minus of 1 plus cos alpha minus beta equals minus 3 by 2. So we'll obtain the value of cos alpha minus beta, which is minus 1 by 2. Now we will start with our statement A and B. So we know that our statement A is cos alpha plus cos of beta plus cos of gamma equals 0, and our statement B is sine of alpha plus sine of beta plus sine of gamma equals 0. So we can simply rewrite it as cos alpha plus cos of beta equals minus of cos of gamma, and sine of alpha plus sine of beta equals minus of sine of gamma. And now we can simply use the another formula that we know, cos C plus cos D equals 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, sin C plus sin D equals 2 sin C plus D by 2 multiplied by cos C minus D by 2. So we can simply apply these two formula and we'll obtain the 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2 equals minus of cos gamma, and 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 multiplied by cos alpha minus beta by 2 equals minus of cos minus of sin gamma. And now we have to just square these two equations and add them up. So we'll obtain 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2, because this term is common in the both equations, and inside the bracket cos square alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin square alpha plus beta by 2, and in the right hand side we'll obtain sin square gamma plus cos square gamma. So we can simply apply this identity again. So we will obtain that 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 multiplied by 1 equals 1. So this will give you the value of cos alpha minus beta by 2 square, which is equal to 1 by 4. And the first result was cos alpha minus beta equals minus 1 by 2. Cos alpha minus beta equals minus 1 by 2. And we know the relation between cos alpha minus beta and cos square alpha minus beta by 2. So we can say that cos alpha minus beta equals twice of cos square alpha minus beta by 2 minus 1. And this result we obtained from the formula cos 2 theta equals 2 cos square theta minus 1. And now we can simply see that cos alpha minus beta equals twice cos square alpha minus beta, which is our 1 by 4. So we can simply put the value 1 by 4 here minus 1, and after solving this we'll obtain 1 by 2 minus 1 equals minus 1 by 2. So it simply implies our previous result that we already have obtained. So it simply means that our both statement A and B are correct.